gentlemen, yes, you are welcome to today's program, the #1 Earth online program. This is Dr. Baosh live and direct. We are here again, yes. Actually, today's one is a very urgent program because I have been receiving calls from people that there are this particular couples that are always fighting with each other. Something, and they even went to go and consult with God. Ladies and gentlemen,
I will show you, baby. My bad for you show.
Ladies and gentlemen,
My bad. What's happened?
ladies and gentlemen, how did they even get to this studio? I don't know. Who that gentleman I put there must be sacked today. Today he has to be sacked. How did you people make your way to my studio?
Hello. Are you Dr. Baosh?
Yes, I'm talking.
Oh, yeah, Dr. Baosh.
Yes, I'm talking.
See, let me tell you something, Dr. Baosh. This lady that is beside you, she's a problem. This woman can store from Jerusalem to Jericho, from Galilee to Damascus. Let me tell you something about this woman. You see the reason why Adam and Eve left the Garden of Eden is because of her small. This woman can stop Africa, both in story and tire.
Dr. Baosh.
Yes,
Dr. Baosh.
Hey.
I cannot talk in English, yo. This man, look at now do I like that of catfish. Look at you sound. Half moon.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what is happening in this program. I do not.
See, I will show you, baby.
What you have to do?
As to say, I don't know, it's different from Shogo.
Okay.
Now, see, I will.
Ladies and gentlemen,
See, I will.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
ladies and gentlemen,
Let me stand first. Let me stand.
I'm standing. Both of you need vitamin C. Only the non-prescribe the amount of vitamin C. The both of you need. You need vitamin C in your life.